Hi everyone, Robin from Excellent Consultancy here, Microsoft Excel Specialist. My good friend Mark Saxby over at Status Social recorded a video the other day showing you how to download your LinkedIn connections. It's a great little video, I suggest you go and check it out. But I thought, well, it'd be great to tell you what you can do once you've downloaded it. So I've had my email from LinkedIn saying it's ready. I've come back to the page, you can see I download the archive, gets the zip folder, we can open that zip folder. And then you've got connections and you just double click to open it. Obviously I can't show you that one because that would show you all my connections. So what I do have here is exactly what it looks like when you open that, but just with some made up data. So this isn't real data. So the first thing you want to do when you get it open is to highlight all of the columns, and then you just hover over any one of the column boundaries. You can see the cursor here changes from a black down arrow to this little side and side arrow, and just any one of those and just double click, and that opens up the full width for all the columns. And the next thing you want to do, as you can see, it's only a very short set of data here, but yours will be much longer. The theory still applies. Is you're going to come up to the top row, click data if you need to, data ribbon, and filter. So you're just going to stick an auto filter on there. At this point, this data is going to be very different for each person, so it's going to have all sorts of stuff in here. About the only thing you can really do with this is you can obviously filter by month or year that you connected with someone, or more likely is the position or the company, more likely the position. You're going to search for certain types of people, so just click the drop down arrow here, and you can just type in this text box here, let's say director. And you can see it auto pulls up anyone with director. I click OK, and it filters out that I've got these two directors. And we'll go back, click the arrow again, click select all to select them all. That goes back to where you were before. And let's try a different one. Let's try searching for health. So anyone to do with health. And you can see I've got health there, and I can click and it'll pick up health here, person here. Go back to select all, and that's pretty much all you can do. But you can do those filters for anything you want to group together, copy them off, save them, whatever you need to do with them. That's probably the best thing you can do with your LinkedIn connections. I hope this video has been useful. Check out the other ones on my site. Thank you.